Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you a Onepage.ai review, the best AI website builder. So guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to be doing a full review and work through of Onepage.ai. It's one of the most powerful AI driven websites and funnel builders for 2026. We're going to explore how it works, what makes it unique, its strength and its limits, and who it's really best for. All right, so let's jump right in. Now, basically, what is OnePage.ai? So, OnePage.ai is a no code plus AI website builder that lets you create websites, landing pages, or funnels from simple text prompts. Like, you can actually build a website or a funnel that's a page funnel with the help of AI. Like, you don't need any extra knowledge on how to program or code. You just need to know how to give out prompts. All right, so moving on. Uh, According to their website, it is the first true AI and no code builder. So you don't need to code, you just need to describe your idea, like I said, and then pick a style, and then the AI would build the page. So if you scroll through, you get to see what they're about. You can see a prompt here: create a landing page for a social media influencer. You could see what it looks like, the fastest on the market, zero code, full power, styles that feel real, made for productivity. So you can automate repetitive tasks with 7 built-in AI features. So it's actually going to pack a punch when you make use of it. So from idea to launch, and it's faster than ever. So turn your AI into an unfair advantage. All right. So basically, it supports not just one page website, but multi-step funnels, as well as a built-in CRM, forms, and even custom code generation. So you could find all of this with OnePage.ai. All right, so now moving over to the key features. Moving over to the key features, some of the key features of this website or of this AI is, with the AI assistant, you can actually create a page. So it has a page generation feature. So the AI can actually create a page for you by simply entering a prompt like a landing page for a productivity app with a sign up button. You know, you could get yourself a page. Now, and you can also choose the style if you want it modern, direct, formal, and whether you want a light or dark mode. So you can make this in this where you're meant to enter a prompt. You could simply request that it's a dark mode page or it's a dark mode funnel, something of that sort. And now another thing the website can do is it can help you write. So one page also includes an AI writer that helps you generate, improve, or translate your website text directly in the editor. You can set the default instruction field so your AI always writes in a certain tone. If you want it friendly, formal, or persuasive, it can get the job done. And they also have an AI credit system, which I'll be talking about more, and also a customization, use case, and site types. So those are some of the features you should be looking out for when you log onto OnePage.ai. All right, so moving on to the tricky part, how can you use it? So let's just go ahead and simply sign up for one page. With every good thing we've heard so far, it should deliver some of the best quality stuff. So let's go ahead and click and continue with Google. Your first step would be to click on sign up. So once you've clicked on sign up, click on either continue with Google or Mac or your email, and then agree to the terms of service, and then click and continue with Google, and then proceed to enter your Google account and simply log in. So I'll show you what comes next. All right, guys, and then you're first met with the app.onepage.io. It shifts over from onepage.ai to .io. We have the dashboard, we have your account here, your profile, billing, and pricing plan, which we would be looking at later on. We have your recent projects that were shared with you, as well as projects, templates, domains, and people. All right, so basically, your first step would be to click on create project. So go ahead and click on the create project option, and then go ahead and choose create site with AI. So that's what you should select. All right, guys. So basically, once it opens up, you're met with a template gallery and the option to start from scratch or create with AI. So I'll be going through what these mean. For the templates, it's basically what people have already built. It's basically what the one page team has built. As you can see, We have a 10-page website built by Onepage. And if you scroll through, you can see websites for other purposes like digital products. Let's say you have ebooks to sell, so you could sell them using these templates. We also have online coaching, agency, hotels. And if you go a bit more, we have restaurants, product pages, e-commerce pages, webinars, and auto shops, as well as events. And scrolling back to the top, we have the option to start from scratch. So if you want to build your website from scratch, you can do this. If you want to create with an AI, you can also do this as well. So I'm going to be clicking on create site with AI, and now create a new project from scratch. So the project name, let's just call it, click on create project, and this domain is already in use. Okay, let's cancel this. All right, guys. So basically, this is where you're dropped once you click on create the project using AI. So AI is just going to go out of its way to create something sustainable for you. As you can see, we have a perfect website. Now, if you are looking to custom your code or give it a custom entry or something of that sort, you would have to pay for that service as it is not free. The AI assistant can help with creating a page. You could ask it to create a page concerning anything, but if you want a full website, you're going to have to pay for the experience. So now let's just simply enter a prompt that says create a landing page for an orphanage, and then click on enter. So once you click on enter, it's going to go ahead and create a landing page. But as you can see, not enough AI generation credits. So this is what I wanted to mention. The website, that's Onepage, the platform actually makes use of credits as it has an AI credit system. So AI features like page generation or section creation use credits. For example, 20 credits to generate a full page and 10 credits for a section or custom code. And then the AI plan is separate as well. So the credits come from the AI assistant and add-on. You don't just get it from the main plan. You have to buy it separately, which is actually quite interesting. So you could do this by clicking on upgrade plan, and they would show the pricings. So for the free, which is what we're on, you're not getting much, just for the AI writer and the advanced SEO option. While for $55 a month, you're getting page generation, section generation, code generation, and some other things, as well as domains, custom domains, and some more features. All right, so heading back to this, we can't create a page, which means we can't enter a prompt for free. You're actually going to have to manually edit some of this. Like this text, measurable growth with online marketing. You could simply turn this entire first page into your page if you have the time enough to go through them. Like this body of text now can be changed. You could shift it from online marketing to hosting and click on enter, and it's going to look something like this. So you could just edit it, remove this placeholder video or image, edit the partners. You could even change the colors. So if you wanted to change the color of something, let's say the color of this block here, click on this paint icon, and then you could shift it over to something like this, and it would look like this. And that's how you can simply edit most of them. For some of them, you might click on the AI option here to simply change the layout alternative, check for spelling and grammar, or translate it. So let's say it's in Chinese for your Chinese customers, you could have it look like that. We also have the gear icon. This is to this is mostly for its orientation. If you want it on the left or on the right, if you want it padding at 120 by 60 or full height, and the animation as well as a divider. So you can have all of these and more. And then all you need to do is just click on publish and the website would be up and running. You could go through the sections. We have the header, which is here. We have the cover, we have the services, which is just below, case study, testimonials, and about, and frequently asked questions. So you could have a drop down of frequently asked questions and then provide the answers. All right, guys. So this is how you can easily go about this. This is the full review of the website. It is quite an interesting website as it doesn't give you the free option to create a page that's a page out of thin air. You might have to pay for it. So the pricing is quite unstable in some cases. But if you run a full business and you're looking to get into something as good as one page, I would recommend. Now, for the pros and cons, you do get to generate a landing page or structure in under a minute. The artificial intelligence is actually quite fast. There is no code. You do not need to code. As you saw earlier, I just went about clicking and editing. Uh, they also provide an AI writer and flexible design, as well as inbuilt tools like funnels, forms, and CRMs. The cons would be the page regeneration replaces an existing content. So if you were to regenerate a page, you would lose everything you had just did. And also, you need AI credits to make use of most of the tools. And who would likely make use of this? Small agencies, marketers, non technical users, and freelancers would get the best out of this. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.